Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. I wanted to do something for many of my clients who've been buying the MV925 made in Italy high pressure spray gun that I'm providing with my COMET Pro Kit, the COMET 1700 power washer. What I've done to kind of move this video along, there are 6 screws that hold this gun together. I've already removed all those 6 screws. I want to take this gun apart. I also want to say something. There are 3 versions of the MV925. There is a standard version without a swivel. There's a version that's standard duty with a swivel, with a built-in swivel. And then there is the version that I'm providing with my COMET Static 1700 Pro Kit, that power washer. This is the one that's the heavy-duty version with the swivel built in it. So let me go ahead. I've already removed the 6 screws. I'm going to take this cover off and I want to show you the inside of this gun. This is awfully impressive, and one of the reasons why I wanted this version of this gun being supplied with my COMET system and also selling this independently or separately on my site. Let me bring you in on this camera here so you can see this. Hopefully I'm not too shaky, guys. If we look inside this gun here, we see the top part of this gun is all made out of brass, really nice, fine precision brass. Then we got this stainless steel pipe that comes down to the built-in swivel that's also made out of brass. One of the things that was very impressive to me when I pulled this thing apart, let me bring you guys in and show you something. Let me get out of the light here. Can you guys see where it says Made in Italy? And do you see the logo that's also stamped into this brass fitting? That logo is from a company called TECOMEC. TECOMEC is a sister company to COMET. Folks, when I pulled this gun apart and saw the pride of craftsmanship, and for a company willing to stamp Made in Italy, put their logo onto the fitting, I knew right away they were not outsourcing any material whatsoever and saying it was made in Italy, but maybe there were Chinese components or components from another company. Folks, this is one of the highest quality spray guns I have seen in its price point. This gun right here, without the stainless steel quick disconnect or the stainless steel nipple on the bottom, is $34.99 on my website. This gun is so impressive. I've been using this one for about 4 months and I've had no issues with it. It's just a workhorse and it keeps working, and it's just, when you hold this thing in your hand, you know you're holding high quality. Now that we can actually see that when we pull the gun apart, we can see the Made in Italy, no outsourcing of any material. You'll know when you're using this thing for its price point is probably one of the highest quality spray guns on the market, again at its price point. My argument's going to be, there's a lot of guys that say, well, Scott, I like guns that are all stainless steel. Let me ask you a question. If this whole gun in fact was made out of stainless steel, do you think spending another $70 like with some other companies is really going to change the game for you? Are you going to get more durability, more longevity out of the actual gun? I don't know. I leave that completely up to you. I see this gun working for years and years and years. In fact, even though it's got some brass fitting here, the stainless steel here, and the brass swivel, I'm probably most likely going to wear out the plastic handle just from picking this stuff up well before I have any issues with the brass, regardless if the whole thing was made out of stainless. Does that kind of make sense? And if we, here's the other deal with TECOMEC and with COMET providing us this gun with that COMET system that I'm supplying. This unit right here is $34.99 with a 90-day guarantee, and it's got a built-in swivel. MTM has got a gun on the market called the SG28. It is around $25, doesn't have a swivel. It also has brass components inside of it as well. Folks, for an extra $9 or $10, I am willing to say, for the quality of build of this thing, not only does it blow away the MTM SG28, it just can't even compete. And then when we look at those guns that are $100 because they're all stainless, I just don't see the advantage there. This thing is still an amazing winner. One of the best guns I have ever used, highest quality for its price point, and it's the reason why I stand 100% behind it. absolutely gorgeous gun. I love you guys. Just wanted to pull that apart. I had a lot of guys who bought the gun from me and said, Scott, can you pull it apart? I said, yeah, let me pull mine apart. You guys don't do that. I'll let you guys see the inside of this thing so you know what you're buying. Made in Italy, and TECOMEC puts their logo right on the housing. That is pride of craftsmanship, and I just absolutely love it. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon.